Hi, concurrent enrollment instructors. I am here to show you how to set up your Front Range email so that you can forward it to an alternate email address. For instance, your high school district email, if that's the account that you're logging into more frequently. Before I show you how to do this, though, I need to let you know that CCCS and Front Range both don't really like instructors to know about this. I'm not breaking any rules or anything by telling you about it or showing you how to do it, but they would prefer that you log in directly. And I have to say, I practiced with this for about a week and a half to make sure it would work appropriately for you. And I found it quite annoying because the Front Range email would forward to, whatever email I specify. It can be your district email account or a Gmail account or whatever. But the email turns into an attachment, and so you can't even reply. It's set up to forward the email, so you can't reply directly to the person who has emailed you. So you still have to go and log into your Front Range account. So, the system and the Front Range have arranged it so that you still have to log into your Front Range instructor email account, but at least you're notified when you're getting information. I found it quite annoying because I forwarded it to one of my personal Gmail accounts. But at least you're getting the alert, and then you can log in and take care of whatever you need to take care of. So let's show you how to do this. And I have a little instruction card here as well, but I think what's going to happen is every time I click on my browser screen, then it's going to go away and I'll have to bring it back up. So I will email you the attachment of the instructions that I'm going to periodically put back into the viewing screen here. All right, so as you know, when you log into your webmail, you're going to click on webmail and then type all of this stuff that you need to log in, your S number and your password, and mine is really long, and let's hope that I typed it right. Of course not. One more time, then I won't take your time up with this anymore. I think I know what I did wrong last time. All right, I think it's going to work. Awesome. So when you log into your webmail account, you're going to go up here to Options. And from Options, you're going to click on Create an Inbox Rule. Okay, so let me go through that again. Log in, click on Options, which is underneath the same spot where you sign out and where you see your name. And once the Options pop-up window appears, you're going to click on Create an Inbox Rule. All right, so I have no inbox rules. My experiments with forwarding the email, as I explained to you before, I got rid of it because I didn't enjoy it very much. So I'm going to bring up the instructions just so I remember the right steps. So, log in with your S number. If you have problems, contact IT. If your password's not working, they can reset it for you. And then we've done steps 3 and 4. So we're going to click on, and here's the part I'm going to have to remind myself about. I'm going to slide it to my other screen so I have it up here. And then I will definitely send those to you so you can follow along. All right, next step is to click on New. So we want to create a new rule. And then we have to set up this rule as specifically as I'm showing you so that it will send the forwarded email address to the account that you specify. So underneath when the message arrives, we're going to select Apply to All Messages. This one down here, which looks strange, doesn't really even look like it's one of the options, but you need to make sure you click on that one. Under Do the Following, we're going to choose Forward. Well, wait a minute, it's not here. Hold on a second. Let me make sure. Forward the message as an attachment. It's not letting me choose that one. Here we go. Okay, so what did I do there? I added an exception. So let's start over so you guys can see what I did. I'm going to leave. Let's do New Rule. Notice that when I click on, I'm trying not to get ahead of myself. Okay, so under When the Message Arrives, Apply to All Messages. Under do the following, it doesn't give me the forward option, which I need, so I have to click on more options. That's going to have to be step 7. I'm just talking to myself so I can revise my instructions for you. You're going to click, hover your mouse over forward, redirect, or send, and then you're going to choose forward the message as an attachment. Now, you guys notice that there is an option for forward the message to, but I tried this one and it didn't work. None of them forwarded to me, and I have a feeling that the system and Front Range have disabled the forward the message to, so that you are not able to receive it in that way. So you have to choose forward the message as an attachment. Then it's going to ask for the email that you want it to be sent to. So I'm just going to type my Gmail account here and click OK, and you'll notice that it was added next to the forward the message as an attachment to, and that's the email address that you're typing in there. Okay, and then you gave your rule a name. So I'm just going to put Front Range forward did email, okay, whatever you want to call it. Then you're going to click on save, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to apply this to all future messages? Yes, I do. And then you see that your rule is there. So if you ever need to edit it or delete it because you get annoyed like I did, then you can go back and make changes, make any changes you want to make, and then click save again. And then if you want to get rid of it, I think you can just hit this and delete by clicking on the X. Okay, so once you have the rule created, you're pretty much done, and I think you can go back to mail and continue to check your emails. And again, we got to that through options and create an inbox rule. Just seeing if it will open back up, and so then that's how I can go back in and delete it or whatever I'm going to do. And in fact, I am going to delete mine because I don't need those messages coming to my personal email anymore, because I did that for a week and a half, as I said, and it drove me bonkers. All right, so that is it. The instructions I have for you here, and I will forward them in the email after I make a change, because I forgot a step there between step 6 and 7. But if you guys have any questions, please contact me. The help desk will not assist you with this rule setup because, as I said at the beginning of the video, they don't support that you're doing this. They don't mind that you're doing it because they're alerting you. The forwarded emails are alerting you to emails you need to pay attention to in your Front Range instructor account, but they won't help you with the setup of this. Definitely contact IT at 303-678-3710 if you have problems with your password. They can reset the password for you if you call in. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys, and let me know if you have questions. Take care.